You've probably seen people talk about AI websites or tools that make money. But most of it? Fluff, or short-term hype. I'll show you the exact method that's been bringing me $100 a day, and no one's talking about it. Let's go. Most people use Durable to build a website, and stop there. But I personally used it to build a system that earns me $100 a day, with zero effort. Durable builds the website, but here's my personal twist. As someone who's done this successfully and tested it for real, I turned it into a real moneymaker, not just a pretty page. After testing dozens of tools and building for months, this one method turned into one of my most consistent revenue streams, week after week. Here's my secret, the part that breaks the usual pattern. I connected the contact form to Zapier. So every time someone sends a message, it goes into a Google Sheet. Then, with ChatGPT plus Gmail API, it automatically replies with a smart customized message. No manual work. Every lead gets a response, and I get one step closer to a client. That's how I turned a basic AI website into a smart lead machine, while others still wait for visitors. AI. Fully automatic. Most people build a site and just hope someone visits. But I turn it into a business in 3 smart ways. First, I sell the whole site as a done-for-you asset, $100 or more. If not, I rent it monthly, $50 to $70 just for keeping the leads flowing. And sometimes, I build one in my own niche, and let the AI bring clients to me. No ads. No cold outreach. Just a machine running 24/7. Let's say you build a site for Sarah's pet grooming in NYC. Durable creates the site in 30 seconds. You connect the contact form to Zapier plus ChatGPT. Suddenly, Sarah's inbox is getting inquiries, and she's happy to pay you monthly. That's how I flip templates into income. If you found this useful, I've got more tools coming up in this AI Money series. Real strategies, not recycled hacks. Hit subscribe, and in the next video of this playlist, I'll show you a tool most creators ignore, but I use it to save hours and scale faster, as part of this series on how to make money with AI in smart original ways, not the recycled garbage you see all over YouTube and TikTok by people who haven't actually earned $1 themselves. Here on the Money Minded channel, we don't just drop tips. We guide you with the mindset, the tools, and the exact steps to earn with AI. Let's build your AI income, together. And remember, in 5 years, this might be normal. But right now it's a goldmine. Want more like this? Hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's episode in this AI shortcut series, another real tool that actually works.